If you are using the assessment tool that's built into Schoology, you might want to change some of the settings in order to allow your students to be able to view their results after they've completed an assessment. In order to do this, you're going to go to your Schoology course where the assessment is and click on that assessment tool. And once it opens up that assessment page, you're going to click on the Setup option from the top left of the screen. Here's going to be some different tools that you can go through and toggle on and off depending upon what you're looking for. But we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to the topic that says Student Settings. The first topic here says allow students to view results after an attempt is made. By default, this setting is set to no, meaning that after students take their assessment, they're not going to be able to see their results. You do have some options that you can toggle through. The one after the no option is yes, and this basically means that the students are going to be able to see what they chose as the answers in their assessment. The next option, though, is going to be that the students are able to see what they answered, as well as what would be the correct answer if they had gotten anything on their assessment wrong. So you can go in and change this option on your assessments. Once you click the Save button, that is going to save those changes. And if I hop on over here to a student view, I now, as the student, can go back into that assessment that I've already completed, and I am going to be prompted with a pop-up box that tells me I've submitted this assessment, the date that I submitted it. It's going to also tell me what my grade was, and I'm able to now view this assessment. So once I open this up, it's going to show me what the questions were and how I answered it. It's also going to show me if I got a question wrong and what the correct answer should have been. So this might be a good tool for you to play around with if you're frequently giving assessments and you want your students to be able to go back and use this as reference or see how they did.